Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. Yesterday we discussed 10 questions from Manipur PSC Food Safety Exam. Today let us continue the discussion. 11th question. Bitterness in colocasia is due to calcium oxalate, calcium chloride, potassium oxalate, calcium carbonate. Answer is calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate is also known as raphides. Raphides means a needle-shaped crystal of calcium oxalate occurring in clusters within tissues of certain plants. Bitterness is also known as acridity. Acridity in colocasia is due to calcium oxalate. In high temperature, short time method of pasteurization, milk is heated at temperature 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 62 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 72 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Answer is A. 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. HTST pasteurization is also known as flash pasteurization, and 62 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, that is known as wet pasteurization. Next question 13. BHA is chelating agent, antioxidant, stabilizer, emulsion. Answer is antioxidant. BHA is used as antioxidant and preservative. Some of the examples of antioxidants are BHA, BHT, and TBHQ. BHT means butylated hydroxytoluene. TBHQ means tetrabutyl hydroxyquinone that are commonly found in oil and fat foods. BHA commonly used as antioxidant in food, animal feed, cosmetics, rubber and petroleum products. Next question. Bureau of Indian Standard headquarters is situated in Pune, Chennai, New Delhi, Ajmer. New Delhi is the answer. There are 5 regional offices for Bureau of Indian Standard. Eastern office situated in Kolkata, Southern office in Chennai, Western office in Mumbai, Northern office in Chandigarh, and Central office that is situated in Delhi. Director General of Bureau of Indian Standard, Pramod Kumar Tiwari. Next question. Germination affects nutritive value of legumes by increase in vitamin C content, decrease in trypsin inhibitor activity, increase in enzyme activity. All of these. All of these answer. 16th question. Pineapple variety suitable for canning is Queen, Q, Mauritius, Cayenne. Q is the answer. Next question, 17th question. Richest source of riboflavin is papaya, mango, bale, caronda. Bale is the answer. Next question. Which of the following is non-climacteric type of fruits? Pineapple, lychee, grape, all of these. All of these is the answer. What are climacteric fruits? It continued to ripen after harvesting. That type of fruits are known as climacteric fruits. Example, mango, banana, papaya, guava, sapota. Non-climacteric fruits examples. What does it mean? Non-climacteric fruits don't ripen once harvested. Examples orange, grapes, pineapple, etc. Next question. Emission of ethylene during transportation of cut flowers causes a disorder called bud opening, sleepiness, bent neck, calyx splitting. Answer is B. Sleepiness is the answer. Which is the precursor of ethylene? Tryptophan, methionine, ABA, and IAA. Answer is B. Methionine. Next question. Cauliflower curds can be stored for a month at 0 degrees Celsius with 85 to 90% relative humidity, 15 degrees Celsius with 60 to 80% relative humidity, 15 degrees Celsius with 60 to 65 RH, 20 degrees Celsius with 50 to 70% RH. A is the answer. 0 degrees Celsius with 85 to 90% relative humidity. Next question. For curing, sweet potato are kept for 10 days at 25 degrees Celsius and 85% RH, 40 degrees Celsius and 70% RH, 80 degrees Celsius and 30% RH, 30 degrees Celsius and 80% RH. C is the answer. 80 degrees Celsius and 30% RH. Next question 23. Tomato fruits for canning are harvested at mature green stage, red ripe stage, immature green stage, half ripe bar pink stage. Red ripe stage is the answer. 24. Which chemical is used for controlling sprouting of onions in storage? Malic hydrazide, ethylene, gibberellic acid, all of these. Malic hydrazide is the answer. Next question. For low sugar content, potato tubers are stored at 5 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius. Answer is 10 degrees Celsius. Sweetening of potato occurs below 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. Sweetening of potato normally occurs in between 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. Next question 26. For longer storage of cucumber fruits, the temperature should be 5 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius. Answer is C, 20 degrees Celsius. Next question 27. The limiting amino acid in green vegetables is arginine, lysine, methionine, tryptophan. Methionine is the answer. C is the answer. 28th question. Which is the staple vegetable in Indian diet? Tomato, cauliflower, potato, chili. C. Potato is the answer. 29. Which bean is used for extraction of gum? Broad bean, cluster bean, French bean, hyacinth bean. Answer is cluster bean. Cluster bean is also known as guar bean or lond bean. The botanical name is Siamopsis tetragonoloba. It secretes a guar gum. That guar gum or guaran. It is used in the extraction of shale gas. Guaran is also used in food industry as thickeners and stabilizers. The last question, 30th one. Chilies are rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin A and C, vitamin E. C is the answer. Vitamin A and C. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button too. Online mock test will be conducted after each module.